Hi, I hope you can see my screen, and in this video I'll show you how you can check the Facebook events are going to the pixel or not without any help of metapixel. So here you can see in the extension I don't have metapixel helper. Here you can see, just take a look, but I will check my events are going to metapixel or not. To check this, first of all I need to click my right button and then inspect. Here you can see the network. Just click here, and in the search bar just write here TR, and my ad blocker is enabled, so I have to disable this one. Well, and then refresh this website. That's great. And see, here is a request. If I click here, then you will be able to see the page view event, and this is my pixel ID. If I go to the product page and to view a product, then I hope you will understand. I have viewed a product, and now the view content event should be fired. So if I take a look here, this is the view content. You can see here, this is the view content. If I scroll down, then this is my parameters like content IDs, this is the content type and contents, currency value, content name, everything. That's fine. And if I again click on add to cart, this is the add to cart event. Here you can see, and this is the all details. So in this way you can check the events are going to your metapixel or not without taking any help of any extension. So this is the way. I hope you guys could understand. And one more thing is, if you can see the strategy is 200, that means your events are going to your pixel perfectly. But if you see here 400, that means there is a problem. So that's all. Thanks a lot. See you again in the next video. Till then, bye bye.